How to order food using Uber Eats. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, I will guide you how you can order food using Uber Eats if you're the beginner. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Uber Eats application on your phone or simply visit ubereats.com in your browser. If you're new, you have to sign up with your email or phone number, but if you already have your account, you could simply go to the login prompt and then log in into your account. Once you are logged in into your account, you have to provide your delivery address. So first of all, provide your delivery address so that Uber Eats can show you nearby restaurant. Now you have to browse through all of the categories like pizza, burgers, or local favorites. Or you could also use the search bar at the top in order to find your favorite dish or restaurant. Now, once you have your preferred restaurant, you have to select the item and customize. Tap on the restaurant, choose your food, and customize your order like all of the size, toppings, or the sides. Once you're done, now tap or click on Add to Cart. So once you have added your items to the cart, you have to head over to the cart at the top right and proceed for checkout. Whenever you are ready, review all of your orders and also choose the delivery options like leave at door and then hit or click on checkout button. Once you're done with that, after the checkout, you also have to enter your payment method. You have to add or select a payment method that may be your credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet. Once you're done with the payment procedure, now confirm your order. Once your order has been placed, you can track your live order and see when the restaurant starts preparing it, and you could also follow the delivery driver on the map to track your order. And that's it. Now you could enjoy your meal without leaving home. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.